Hello there! I am teacher Marisol. Welcome to Beginning Reading 1. Before we start the lesson, let's have a warm up first by singing the ABC song.
A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog, dog. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fish, fish. G is for gorilla, gorilla. H is for hat, hat. I is for igloo, igloo. J is for juice, juice. K is for kangaroo, kangaroo. L is for lion, lion. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for no, no. O is for octopus, octopus. P is for pig, pig. Q is for question, question. R is for ring, ring. S is for sun, sun. T is for train, train. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for van, van. W is for watch, watch. And X is for box, box. Y is for yellow, yellow. Z is for zoo, zoo.
Wow! You have a wonderful voice. Now, let's start. Are you ready? Great! Okay, now look and say, what can you see in the picture? You are right. It is letter A. The sound of letter A is ah. Say ah, ah. It's your turn. Good job. A is for apple. Apple. A is for ant. 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 A is for alligator. 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 Now it's your turn. Repeat after teacher. A is for apple. Perfect. A is for ant. Wonderful. A is for alligator. Magnificent. Now look. What can you see? Yes, you're right. It's letter B. B sounds b, 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 b. Now it's your turn. Wonderful. B is for bag. Bag. B is for bat. Bat. B is for ball. Ball. Great. Okay, now it's your turn. Repeat after teacher. Say, B is for bag. Perfect. B is for bat. B is for ball. Magnificent. I can see another letter. What can you see? You are right. It's letter C. C sounds k, 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 k. Now it's your turn. Wonderful! C is for cat. Cat. C is for can. Can. C is for candy. Candy. Wow! Now it's your turn. Repeat after teacher. Okay? Great. C is for cat. C is for can. C is for candy. Perfect. Now I want you to say the sound of each letter. Look. What is the sound of letter A? Great! Ah, ah, ah. Look, the letter. What is the sound of letter B? Awesome! B, b, b. What is the sound of letter C? Wonderful! K, k, k. Great! You have a star! Now, look, listen, and match. What is the beginning sound of each picture? Are you ready? Wonderful! Let's start with the first picture. Apple. 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 Car. Car. Banana. Banana. Great! Now let's look the answer. Wow! You did it! Now let's read. B, b, ah. B, b, ah. Ba. K, k, ah. K, k, ah. Ka. B, b. Ab. K, a, b. Ka, a, b. Cab. The cab is yellow. Say it again. The cab is yellow. You did it! 5 stars for you! Great! See you next time! Goodbye!